Good morning, guys. What up, what up, what up? 8 minutes till we get started. 8 minutes till we get started. I will see you soon. Get the questions, tickers in. See you shortly. Good morning to those who have just joined. 6 minutes till we start. Get the questions in, get the tickers in. Make sure you get a question in. No one's put one question in. Not one question yet. Come on, guys. Cost $0. Don't be shy. There's no dumb question. All right? See you in a bit. Good morning, guys. 4 minutes until we get started. Get the questions in. Get the questions in. ALR needs 120. You guys very shortly. 120 break, and then you go all the way to 145. Looks very good. Entries above 119. Right, so 120 break. I would take some. Aim for 5% target, 5% stop loss. Mental stop loss due to pre-market. See you in a bit. Morning guys, hello to those who just joined. We are going to start in 2 minutes. We also do have news in 2 minutes, which is unemployment claims. Forecasted 234k, previous 242k. In my opinion, it will come out exactly what it is, or what is forecasted, so 234. Sorry, yeah, 234 is what I think will come out at. Like up the stream, get a question in, get the tickers in. I see everybody who's posted a question. I will get to it once I am done in 1 minute. Okay, right. What is the news? How did the SPY react? Up or down? Whoosh. Up. News is pending. Pending. Let me just change my screen over. Cool. 221 actual. Nice. Unemployment claims are lower. Very nice. Rightio. Let me go through some Discord requests on Twitter. Sorry, I'm going to go through chart requests on Twitter and then chart requests on the Discord or in the Discord. And then I will get to everybody's question afterwards, right? I know everyone and their grandmother's talking about ALLR. Please don't get bag held with that thing. Yes, it might run crazy, but you know what? What goes up must come down, but it is definitely a good watch today. STSS, this is a good chart to watch. Right now, there is nothing going on. 0.34, you can wait for an entry above 0.34. So you can draw something like this. There you go, 0.34. Above 0.34, you can look for an entry. All right. STSS needs 0.34 break. So that's what you have for this level. What's another play we have looking? What do we have? SLSS. Kit. How's Kit looking? Kit came down, right? Yeah, Kit's coming down big time. This one didn't really do anything. Couldn't get over VWAP today. So we'll see if it can hold. Still up 16%, but we'll have to wait and see what happens a little later on. ALLR, we'll have to look. LLR is looking good. HMR, let's have a look at HMR. HMR is extremely bearish. Nothing on this. Still in the downtrend. No good. So HMR still bearish. Means it's in a downtrend. Bearish is down. Bullish is up. Any chart requests in the Discord? Yes, there are a few. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Just doing this for a minute quickly. What is this? Okay, so if it's above VWAP, yeah, that's good. All right, let me have a look and see what other questions. Good morning. What up, Bradley, bro? What up? AGMH, I like this, but I think it's below VWAP. Yeah, the only issue now is that I don't trade stocks that are below VWAP. So as I can see, although this is in a bullish chart pattern, right? And we do have a demand zone here, which is quite nice. I'm going to use this candle as well. So we have something like that. Yeah, I mean, I like this. The only issue is that I just mentioned is that it's below VWAP. When a stock's below VWAP, it usually indicates that it will go down. But if you have enough confluences, it could push the upside. Low volume coming in. You have a psychological support here as well. So yeah, I mean, it looks all right. I would just wait personally for the break and close above VWAP. So that is what I would do on AGMH. AGMH is what you're looking for on that. VWAP. If the stock's below VWAP, most of the time the stock will fail and go down unless you find a perfect reversal, which is usually kind of difficult, but yeah, we'll see. So I would say it is bullish. Falling wedge, demand zone, psychological support should go up. A couple other confluences there. TRNR, this was up pre-market. Yeah, it is. This was what I put on the watch list today. Looks good. Breaking out this demand zone, falling wedge, breakout. What I'll do is I'll mark it on the 1 hour. This is your key resistance, 292. So now we have something like this, right? We have 292 as a resistance. It's very close to that for me because you get a rejection here every time, 1, 2, 3, 4 times at 292. I would wait for a candle close above on that. That can be on the 5-minute, on the 2-second time frame, on the daily, 20-minute, whatever time frame you desire. It's your choice. But this is what you have on TRNR. So TRNR, wait for 292 break for entries. Looks good though. I like this play. It hasn't really been holding much, to be honest. We look at it the last couple of days. It's just been ranging in this $2 to $2.85. So nothing exciting. BBAI just had its earnings, I think. Yeah, it did. It was over here. Not gonna show. Okay, well, you still are bullish because you are in a bullish reversal pattern, which is a falling wedge. You have a psychological support, 450. If a candle closes below 450, I would just cut it and leave it. If you are in it, make sure you have a stop loss. If you don't, if you enter this trade without a stop loss, I cannot help you with your trading career. You should just go and give someone else some money. Wasting your time. CYCU, what's happening with this? Yeah, nothing unless 90 cents. A candle body must close above 90 cents. If it doesn't, personally wouldn't take it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to move this to $1 like that. Ignore all of this noise here. Put this at 125, something like that. Because too much rejection around here, a lot of indecisiveness. So what we have to do is wait for $1. CYCU, wait for $1 break to enter. Right, above $1 looks good. Anything below, not interested. Thoughts on CYC? Yeah, CYCU maybe above $1. I wouldn't enter anywhere below here. Too much rejection here, here, even just at $1 rejection. So wait for $1. What up, Fig? What up, guys? Let's like up the stream. Where's Totes this morning? I have no idea. Maybe he's in the Bahamas this morning. CYRX has extremely low volume. It's really difficult to chart something like this. I don't see anything. Maybe above here, like $7.10. Not sure what you're seeing on this, but I would just leave it. Where's Totes' thoughts on CYCU? Yeah, whenever CYCU. Is ALR breaking out right now? ALLR is above $1, which is great. As I mentioned at the start of the stream, for those who are here, I said above 120 looks good for entries. Hope no one took it over here because I said above 120. These are your key levels. Maybe it's doing a little break and retest, which is good. It needs a little pullback. I know a lot of people are trading this and probably in it and they're down right now because they don't have a stop loss for some reason. So yeah, be very careful with this, but this is my prediction for ALLR. I'll go over what this means so everyone can clearly understand. So moving forward, you know what to do when you see this. All right, because some people are very clueless when it comes to this chart, and it's very simple. It's gone up. It's going to come down and retest this area, okay? It's not going to come down to this yellow line here. It might be just about here. It can be anywhere inside this range, right? Could be down here even, up here, I don't know. It could pull back to 106 in reverse and come down to 92 cents in reverse. Because it's here at 94 cents and 55, 0.94, what is it, 0.9463, it's not going to come down to 0.9463, okay? That's not what it means. It means inside of this area. It's broken above resistance. Around this area will become support to hopefully push up. So anywhere, maybe at 106 it'll reverse, maybe at 90 cents it'll reverse, somewhere around that region. Okay, guys, when you're liking up stream, like up the stream. Do not like the chat button. Right? Do not do the reactions in the chat. That does nothing. Good day, all. Good day, good day, good day. AGMH, what's happening? Yeah, AGMH is starting to break out. Looks pretty good. Looking good. Good morning. If you have time, I'd like to know more about the audible bell alerts. I try to set some. I don't know. You just right click and put it. I have them. It comes through my phone and on my laptop. You just click create alert. So whatever you want to do here, whatever price, right click, create alert above 0.2 or put the price. Click save and it'll go like, it'll just do, it does like a ping, like ding or whatever. That's all you have to do. So whatever price you want. If you want it above 0.2, right click here, create alert. You can type it in what you want, above, below. Yeah, whatever you want. That's kind of how you have it. You can even drag it like that. But you just get a ping. If not, go to the settings, put on your notifications or something maybe. What does it mean when a spread is like 75 point no movement? I'm not too sure what that is. Not too sure, not too sure. CYCU, you're not entering above. You are not entering this unless it closes above $1. You have a long way to go. Mark $1. Above $1, you can take the trade. So patience. If it doesn't get to $1, do not try and enter, please. Please. That's just stupid. Stupid decision. I'm trying to serve on GV, 5-minute chart. 470. Wait, $4? No, demand zone on GV here. 592, 546. This is your demand zone here. That is what you have. Wheeler is extremely bearish. Just remove this off your watch list to save your time, self-time. I'll add, I see the low history, have a sound pick notification, but nothing audible. If anyone has experience, I appreciate the help. Just turn your volume up, go onto settings, click on sound or something maybe. Not too sure exactly. What up, Totes? Nice to see you. TRNR, looking good for today. I'm interested on this above 292. Today we'll have a look. Is Lay's pushing up? I saw Lay's going up a little bit. These always seem to push up into open and they just die. Lay's, we can do this like that. Here. Downtrend needed. We have Lay's needs downtrend break. Yeah, Lay's needs downtrend break. Gold Bahamas. CYCU. CYCU. CYCU, there is nothing unless $1. So everybody please do me a favor. Screenshot this, put it as your wallpaper, remove your girlfriend, husband, wife, cat, dog as your wallpaper, and put this. All you need to do is, and do something like this. Tiger says, only enter when the candle closes above $1. All right? It's easy. You have the instructions there to make your money. If you enter at 0.9999999, you have failed the task because it has not closed above $1. Easy instructions. Even if you speak gibberish, same thing. You will be able to understand this. $1 close above is your entry. If you enter 0.999, you have failed the task and you will lose all your money. You have failed as a trader. All right, back to school for you guys. If you do that, back to school. Almost North Carolina mountains. I use using swim, doesn't allow me sell, and have a stop loss in place. Redden up. If you have Thinkorswim, you can use OTO orders, group orders. I'm sure they have it on Thinkorswim. You can type in on Google Thinkorswim group orders. I'm sure they have it. If not, I recommend going to Webull. If you can get Webull, then you can use the OTO orders on that. GV, in my opinion, is the best setup today. I expect this to run. I expect it to continue running until the moon. Going to the moon today. This is the moon runner. Literally gave this one very early on today. I think around here, somewhere around here, $4 or whatever. Pretty insane move, which was nice. This was even a great entry here if anybody got in. Any Discord members got in around this 585 level was very nice. Have demands of this. So yeah, this was your setup. Very nice. Clean setup, easy playing the mover, above VWAP, bullish chart pattern. The breakout. This is definitely the best setup today. I would watch it. KITT doesn't look great, to be honest with you. I would only consider this above 135, but if you want to take a higher risk entry, you can get the close above VWAP. Just very, very risky right now. For me, I don't really like trading something like this right now. However, the good border, yes. Yes, you're right, Paul. Paul is correct. I waited to get in GV at 6. Nice. CUTR gave this one in the Discord here, over here, when it closed above VWAP. Ran up nice. Larger time frame, you have this in the way on the 1 hour, 1957. So I would wait for a close above 0.1957. So CTR needs 0.1957 break. Yeah, breaks above that, then it looks good. Anything below, not really interested on it. Next entry on GV. You can take it if it breaks the high here at 685. Or you can wait for a pullback to VWAP, 685, or you can wait for a break above 715. Make sure to use a stop loss. Make use of a target. Make use of the correct trade size. Do not go in with, if you have $1,000 in your portfolio right now, you do not buy $1,000 worth of GV. That is stupid. ONVO. What's happening here? ONVO is up 13%. Yeah, it's bullish. Expected to break out. I charted this yesterday for someone. Expected to break out. Expected to break out on ONVO. Up 13% right now, or 11%. Looks decent, to be honest. How do you differentiate a bullish falling wedge to a bearish downward pattern? How do you differentiate bullish falling wedge? So falling wedge has an area of support. The downtrend does not. Downtrend has a strong, you can see if a stock is going in a strong downtrend and there is no touches for a falling wedge, then it will be a downtrend. Falling wedge, you're able to get something like this. Look, we have this, right? For instance, we have, go through that candle. Look, that is a downtrend. We are not able to draw a falling wedge, right? We cannot. So this is downtrend. So all you have to do is wait for the downtrend to break to enter. Or you can use something like this, maybe above this resistance here. Yeah, I go into a lot more depth of that in the Discord about difference of falling wedge and downtrends and things, but that's just basically the difference. Falling wedge, you get an area of support. You can able to draw the pattern correctly. Bearish downward pattern is just a downtrend. When you have a falling wedge, I look for at least 4 confluences. Make a perfect setup. When you get that, that indicates a very high probability the stock will go up. CYCU is waking up. Where's the news? Come on, CYCU. Everybody knows what they need to do because they've set it as their wallpaper or screensaver, whatever you want to call it. CYCU. What news is out on CYCU? There we go. Partners with technology. There you go. Some news. Partners with Central Square Technology to provide safety IT services. Everyone's talking about it. Let's see if it can run. If it can, great. If it can't, not the end of the world. GV is looking good. I like GV. GV is going to be my watch today. EAUD. EUAD. EUAD is down 1%. I mean, it's in an ascending triangle, just lack of volume indicates that this will not respect technicals as much, but I will still draw the chart for you anyway. This is an ascending triangle. This is a continuation pattern. So EUAD, ascending triangle. For those who don't know what that is a bullish continuation pattern, meaning the price is going to be bullish, which it is, and continuation to the upside. That is what it means. Damn, Kuwait, nice on GV, $355. Yeah, that's the news. That is the news. That's the news. Yahoo's always delayed, all those things, unless you have premium. Unless you got premium services, news, it's always delayed. CSU, ARBB. ARBB was down when I last saw it. Yeah, down 9%. ARBB, wait for $1. ARBB, entries only above $1. Below $1 equals no entry, fortunately. FTFT, let's have a look at it. FTFT has low volume, nothing on this, just a downtrend. Not really my kind of style of trade, to be honest. I would leave this. BNZI. BNZI, bearish daily, bearish 4 hour, bearish 1 hour. BNZI is bearish, downtrend, no good. Until there is news, then nothing. So look, this is something here. Quebec, look, this is a downtrend, not a falling wedge. Look, I cannot draw a falling wedge. Cannot go through candles properly. That is break of technical analysis. Is incorrect. So that's a downtrend. You wait for the downtrend to break. What's your thoughts on economy and where you think it's headed regarding the US? I don't really read the news about the US or any news, to be honest with you. Reason I don't is because as a day trader, for me, I have a really different approach and style of trading. I mean, I don't really, yeah, like I said, living in Dubai, it's not really prominent here to hear all the news. Obviously, we hear some of the crypto stuff and whatever's going on when Trump goes and speaks and those things, but I don't really look at it in a long-term perspective since I don't have that mindset. Yeah, I guess it's good to know and overall and all that, but for me personally, I don't really get caught up in it. It just affects my trading a lot. So I just do the same thing. I literally just look at the top gains every day and focus on those. But you'll see over time, like you don't even need to read the news to see that, okay, if you see monkeypox plays going, oh, there's obviously a breakout somewhere in the world. There's a breakout on monkeypox. If there's drones running, drone sector running, there's obviously some conflict, some war or something. So it kind of just comes with experience with that sense. But like in terms of the US economy and things, I don't look at it too much, unfortunately. But I do like AI themes, stocks, and I like quantum. I think that's the future, whether they're down now or whatever. I do like them. Just got to look at what Trump likes exactly, because obviously he's going to push those. He's very pro crypto. So yeah, we shall see what happens. ALLR. ALLR is trying to push up a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. TV. All right, PSTV, you have key resistance here, 85 cents, $5. 5 minutes, sorry. You can draw the downtrend like this. If it breaks and closes above the downtrend, maybe you could look for an entry. So what I suggest is if it closes above the downtrend, maybe you can look for an entry on this. Otherwise, I just wouldn't take it. Auth, This is probably one of the worst stocks you can ever trade in the market. This thing never, ever, ever holds its gains ever. Look, well, let's do a top-down analysis real quick. I'll hold your hand through it. Weekly, bearish. Daily, bearish. 4 hour, bearish. 1 hour, bearish. 4 hour here, you have a huge resistance at 137. That is kind of what I would focus on. If you can get a close above that, I would at least get it on the 1 hour, candle close on the 1 hour for an entry. So candle body, this is it here in the yellow rectangle. If you get a candle body to close above 137, I would say it looks good for a trade. If it doesn't, if it does this and it rejects like it has once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, then don't take the trade. That's my opinion. MFI was good last night, but didn't continue in the pre. Thoughts on it? MFI. What's happening with MFI? MFI, nothing on MFI. Above 90 cents. Nothing. It tried, failed. Wait for a close above, maybe retest, then go up. That's what you can look for. Is a retest a major confluence factor? A break and retest is a strategy people use, but just because it breaks above and then it retests, so if it breaks above here and retests and then goes up, right? This is the critical part here. This is what you expect. If it breaks above the resistance, you expect it to retest. Now, you're not just going to buy it when it retests this level. You go to a smaller time frame and you look inside here in depth. So now you would go to this time frame, let's say a 5 minute if you look for your entries. And then what you do is, all you do is from here, right? I don't know why this is not letting me. So let's say, for instance, here, look, this is how you do it. Simple. This is a simple way to do it. This is how people find their trades. 4 hour time frame, we're identifying that. Yes, okay, let's say it broke above, retest and gone. This zone here, inside of this white box, is where traders look for their entries. So they will go now to the 5 minute maybe, and they will identify, okay, this is the area where it's retesting. Are we getting any possible reversal patterns? Are we getting any reversal candlestick patterns? Are we getting any chart patterns that give us a reversal? Any areas of support, something? Okay, we can enter and expect it to go up. That's what happens when you have a break and retest strategy. 4 hour just allows you, or the larger time frames allows you what's going on. And then you go to the smaller time frame to identify exactly how to take the trade, where to perfect. SCNX 33% up. It's running. We'll put it on the watch list. For me, I don't like trading something that is just ranging like that. So is this 8 AM candle? No, it's not. I would wait for a break above 362. Breaks the high of the day with volume above VWAP with the news. Whatever, perfect. Expected to go up. That's what I see. So SCNX, safest entry is above 360C, 362. 362, please make sure to have a stop loss. Do not enter 361 because that is incorrect. What is your favorite stock news scanner? I don't use any of them. I don't use screeners, scanners, nothing. All I use is Webull, Top Gainers. You can use any top gainers you want. Investing, Yahoo, all of them have it. Thoughts on US creating a crypto reserve and how it would affect the dollar and overall market? To be honest, I don't think it's going to change the way the stock market is. Not going to change the money going into crypto and to stocks. People will still stay in stocks, right? Most of the big hedge funds will still trade stocks. That is, in my opinion, still the safest and best returns in terms of long term. Because people still don't trust crypto. Yes, I believe that Bitcoin means something if it's worth $100,000, right? But at the end of the day, is if banks aren't still gonna, obviously it's not regulating things, it's very difficult to know exactly what's happened, what's happening. So I don't look into it too much about crypto and compare the difference, but I mean, I don't know, it's just going to give more variety for people to invest in other ways other than the stock market. But yeah, I mean, a lot of people like crypto. There's big money in crypto as well. It's just got a very bad rep. TPH. Right, I'm gonna do these last two and then I gotta head out, guys. TPH. Nothing on TPH. Wait, Paul, what do you see on this? No, nothing on this, bro. I don't see it. Nothing on this. AGMH is above VWAP, then you could probably take it. No, it's not yet. Yeah, if it gets above VWAP, 5-minute close above VWAP, I would take this trade. Other than that, I wouldn't take it below VWAP. All right. Hey guys, I've got to sort out a few things for some Discord members. For those who joined, please make sure to check your Discord DM. Okay, read it, watch the intro video, and I will see you guys in a bit. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening, morning, afternoon, and I will catch you all later today. Have a great day, everyone. Green.